Oh my God!
Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel.
It's your boy Dominic Rich
and Tanice,
and we are JMDA, and today we're going to be doing the exploding balloon challenge. And the way you do this challenge, guys, we have 3 balloons each, and
Dominic's being disgusting as always. So guys, we have 3 balloons each. Whoever balloon explodes first basically wins.
we have 3 rounds, so we cannot have a tie. It ain't gonna happen today. So let's get straight into this challenge. We have never seen this challenge done before, so hopefully it's a new challenge. We can start it off. And if you like this challenge, do it on your channel and shout out JMDA. All right, let's get into it. Little girlfriend versus boyfriend action here. Team Dominic, right? Do I hear you guys, Team Dominic? Comment Team Dominic in the comment section down below.
Nobody is Team Dominic.
Is that true, guys?
Not even me.
That's not nice. All right, we're gonna get the balloon explosion started. Come a little closer, baby. Come a little closer.
Why do you have to be all the way in front?
Because I want when it blow it. All right, we're gonna get right into it, guys. Tanice, cheating.
Get right into it. You don't
Let out that air.
You always cheating, no.
No, let the air out. Okay, she gets a head start. All right, so we're gonna go non-stop, okay? Why is she being so annoying right now? Okay. Really annoying. All right, guys, we are going to begin. So that's 1 point.
Because he's laughing at it.
1 point for me. Oh, what a race. All right, round 2. We got new balloons.
This is gonna be not fair. I have a smaller lung compared to that.
You like our emoji balloons, guys? This is the smiley
my
face.
volume will be lower.
Yeah. She is. You see what cheating does? Never pay. All right, round 2.
Why you like you know war? Why sign up like that?
Let's go, guys. It's a war. You cheated! You cheated!
I did it for real.
Alright, so Tanice wins the second round. How your balloon got so quick?
I did not cheat for real.
Oh, it's getting intense. The third round.
The old balloon.
Guys, did she pop the balloon when I wasn't looking?
How would I cheat? Maybe for you, I was a cheater. Anyways, we're tied, guys.
Alright.
Next round.
So it's the grand finale, guys. The third round. I got another smiley face balloon. Babe, show your emoji face. What is that?
This is the laughing man on your screen.
Oh. That's how I feel when I see you.
You laugh at me when you see me and you start crying?
Yeah. Alright. Last round, guys. Grand finale.
On your mouth.
The second round, I don't know what happened in the second round. didn't.
I saw
But
it.
guys,
Don't
let
touch
us
me,
know
cheetah.
in the comments down below if you enjoyed our exploding balloon challenge.
Yeah.
Winner. Come on, guys. You see the shirt I'm wearing? It's all champions here. Championes. Okay? Championes. Guys, so guys, if you enjoyed the video,
Please like and subscribe.
smash that like button. Smash that like button, guys. And subscribe to the channel.
Why are you grinding on me?
Subscribe to the channel.
Until next time, guys.
Peace out.
Later.